For top 5, for each male and female category, the question and answer will feature separate common question for male candidates and female candidates given by the chairman of the Board of Judges. So bale, isang question sa mga babae, isang question din sa lalaki. Okay? And then, the candidates will be isolated in a closed band with loud background music. Just like last year na ano to, nagawa naman natin to because we have two band on inside sa. Pero this time kasi, as Sir Philip instructed us, that the venue for Mr. and Mrs. Da is Farmers. So medyo mas malapit pa ang backstage ng Farmer basically is parang dito sa harap eh. So ipaparada na lang yung mga close band. So mas madali na lang puntahan and at the same time mas malapit ang pupuntahan ng mga finalists. Okay, and the following minor awards of the both male and female, we have best in production number, best in production attire. Yung sinasabi mo kanina, Rapi, na merong headdress, ito kasi yung basis ng production attire last year, anak. So may dapat bonggahan pa rin natin para at least naman mas maging maganda yung looks at saka yung show natin.
Sir,
Mr.
question
and
lang
Miss
po, sir.
Articulate, best in poise, most charming or most handsome, best in casual wear, and then ito hindi pa yung pinorward na memo, parang hindi na correct tong avant-garde. So dapat best in casual wear na lang yan. So best in sportswear. And of course, the following special award, Mr. and Miss Photogenic, and yung other special award will come from private businesses, establishment, and individual sponsor. Depende niyan mga anak kung ano yung magiging available. But we, the team is actually targeting na lahat mabibigyan. So tingnan natin. Anyway, nagagetmet dagiti kadwata yung panag-solicit. So we are eyeing that all the candidates will be given the special award. And for the following major awards for both male and female, Mr. and Miss Ilocos Sur Division Athletic Association 2026, first runner-up, second runner-up, third runner-up, and fourth runner-up. So we also use the composite rank in the computation of the score for candidates. So yung sample nakalagay na sa guidelines natin na disseminate na. Then the following criteria for judging will be used during the preliminary round. Sa prelim 2 tayo, production attire is 10%, casual wear is 10%, sportswear is 10%, looks, poise, and personality 40%, question and answer is 30%. So basically, kailangan talaga na maganda at gwapo yung isasabak natin because they will be competing sa R1AA sa Kandon. So para ang peg natin is paglapag pa lang nila sa Kandon, di ba? Ay, ang ganda ng mga candidates ng taga Ilocos Sur. Ganun yung ina-eye natin. And for the final naman, sa final round, sa top 5 na, kaya ang laki ng beauty dito is 70% at yung intelligence is 30%. Anyway, I believe naman on your capacity, coaches, that whoever win the competition, kung sino yung isasabak natin, I am pretty sure that you also train them on the question and answer. Naniniwala ako dyan kasi matatalino naman tayong taga Ilocos Sur. That is why we are giving 70% na talagang yung itsura pa lang ng candidates natin is kakabog na doon sa R1AA. And of course, the decision of the Board of Judges shall be final and irrevocable. So the winner will represent the SDO Ilocos Sur in Mr. and Miss R1AA 2026. So ito naman, yung representative each will naka-register naman na kayo based from our secretary, Ma'am Jen. Okay naman na yan. So yung virtual orientation, ito na nangyari. Sorry, nung 5 pa dapat. But since Sir Philip and us are too busy doing works, hindi na natin nagawa yan. But anyway, here we are finalizing everything naman. And of course, we have here, candidates shall undergo preliminary interview during the sashing ceremony on February 16 to 14. Mag-a-adjust tayo eh. 14. At yung venue pa, hindi pa natin ma-determine kung saan to be announced. Kaya we made this GC para mag-update na lang tayo mga kapatid. Kasi we will go to division office sa 11. Tapos magsisend pa tayo ng letter kung sino yung ma-approve na venue for the sassing ceremony. So we are eyeing for, nilagay na lang namin dito yung provincial farmers for the meantime. Pero if ever that hindi available si farmers, i-update naman namin kayo mga coaches. Okay? And that will be on 9 a.m. to get the 30% of the criteria for judging. Mind you, dear coaches, dito kasi after the sashing ceremony, may question and answer nang mangyayari. Just like last year. So be prepared. At least naman ngayon, parang mas magaan para sa mga candidates natin that the focus only on the prelims is sa Q&A pa lang. Hindi pa naman nabibigyan ng masyadong grade yung looks and whatever. But kailangan pa rin kasi nga alam mo naman yung mga judges minsan is they still wanted to look for the totality of the candidates. Gusto pa rin nilang tingnan na maganda at matalino. Kaya wag naman nating pagdamutan yung ibibigay yung kagandahan sa ating mga candidates for that time. Though they will undergo question and answer for that round. And also like last year, they will be stating their advocacies. Okay? They will be stating their advocacy para naman at least mas ma-practice pa natin yung mental and verbal challenge ng ating mga bata. So, you just prepare for their advocacy and then another question from the judges. So, ang magiging peg is the candidate will state their advocacy, then another question from the judges to impress the judges. So kailangan ready pa rin sila, laban na laban pa rin sila in stating their advocacy, and at the same time, laban na laban pa rin sila in answering the question coming from the Board of Judges. So candidates is required to undergo pictorials on 11, guys. Nakakaloka ito. So buti na lang nakapag-meeting na tayo this night para at least makapag-prepare tayo ng one day tomorrow. So anyway, ang gagamitin lang naman mga anak is yung uniform natin. Lahat ba meron na? Lahat ba meron tayong unit uniform?
Wala pa po sa amin, sir, from Unit 2.
Unit 2. In that case, Jessamine, I mean, ganito na lang anak, do you have your yung old uniform? Yung uniform nyo last year?
I would have to ask po the past coach if meron pa po sa kanya.
Oo.
If
So kung
wala
in
po,
case
saan po
anak
ako
na wala
lalapit, sir?
talaga yung bago ngayon kasi I don't know if all the units are ready for the new uniform, no? So at least makikita yung unit doon sa damit. So para naman makapag-proceed na tayo at hindi naman problema masyado ang mga coaches natin.
Sir,
Then
paano po if
humiram naman sila ng old. Is that okay for everybody?
sir, excuse me po, I have another question.
Yes.
What if po wala po talaga yung uniform, or I mean hindi po naitabi, or hindi po possible na meron pa po yung old uniform? What do
Sa
we need
mga
to do po?
players ninyo wala talaga? Kasi I believe yung unit ninyo meron namang uniform last year, yung mga players.
Okay,
Wala
I would have to
talaga.
ask na lang po, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Ipamuspusam latan anak ko. I know, sa unit nyo naman, marami pang mga batang merong uniform sa mga...
Yes po, sir. Thank you.
Sige, thank you. Okay? And then, mag-start tayo ng 8 o'clock sa Hidden Garden sa Bigan City because ang team nga natin ngayon is parang blooming ganun. So, Sir Philip suggested na kailangan garden yung background naman natin this year. Okay? So, kailangan nandun na tayo ng 8 para hantay yung maaldawan. And after the pictorial kasi, we'll be having the rehearsal immediately. Kasi sayang Met DJ na ipakada kasi naka-memo tayo nga pictorials, and at the same time, in request meeting, that we'll be having a rehearsal after the pictorials para wala nang masayang. Ganon. Anyway, hindi naman ito lang yung first and last rehearsal, but at least mabuo na natin yung prod number and the walking pattern so that may mga ipa-practice na yung mga bata natin pag uwi sa mga stations natin. Okay? Yon. Then it says here that 2 points will be deducted from the candidate's score who will not abide by the rules. Oo naman, pag hindi sila nag-a-abide, may mga 2 points. And I believe naman from the past pageant that we had sa ISDA, wala naman talagang nagiging pasaway. Lahat naman ng mga coaches, they are actually abiding all the rules naman. In fairness sa lahat na nang nag-coach. Okay? So now, do you have questions na gusto nyong erase para mapag-usapan na natin? So do you have questions to be clarified, ganyan? So kung wala po, I'm sure it's clear to all of us, the guidelines, kung ganon.
Sir, question lang,
Yes,
sir.
Rafi, BB?
Dun sa black pants, sir, pwedeng tattered black jeans dun sa production.
Oo. Yeah, basta black pants.
Basta black. Any black po, sir.
When?
Thank you.
Ken, dapat may bagay met ko Ajay. I know you know that naman. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who else? Wala na mga anak para makapag-proceed tayo sa ating schedule. Christopher, you're raising your do you have question?
Sir, about sa preliminary question, ano kayo, inyo day GT mas ad na ganito yun? Pag-revolve ba na game, Sir DJ, about the question?
Basically, DJ, NT team, kajay no kati pag-revolve na nati questions. And actually, last year, medyo mahirap yung question ng mga judges. That's why we will be requesting na medyo ilaklakhada. But ang gagaling talaga ng mga bata natin, well-trained talaga ng mga coaches. Last year talaga, laban na laban pa rin sila kahit medyo hard yung question, but still they managed to answer. But for your question, magre-revolve yan sa about sports, about the icons na hinahangaan nila, what would be the characteristics of yung sa sports, magsisenter yan, or either they will focus on our team, di ba? Yung mga makabagong atleta, something like that, yung character ng isang athlete, sino yung ina-idolize na athlete at bakit, ganyan. About sportsmanship, about sports, anong sports ang gusto mo, at paano mo na-apply sa buhay mo, doon nagre-revolve yung mga Q&A. Okay? So I'm sure ganun pa rin ang magre-revolve kasi the judges will also be instructed naman that they need to make the questions that is related to what we are doing.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome, anak. Any more? May questions pa? Sige, kung wala kayong naiisip, baka maisip nyo mamaya. I'll just give you the timeline of activities for the Mr. and Mrs. Da 2026. So, today is our online meeting. Okay? Matatapos na natin ngayon yan. And on February 11, so that is 9 to 12 actually, but you need to be there, mga 8 na para hindi tayo matagalan. Pictorials of the candidates is Hidden Garden, Vegan, Bulala, Vegan City. But, the but ko dito yung mga anak, if Hidden Garden will approve, okay, the venue. And we have second option because Sir Philip was telling me kanina, if ever na walang hindi mag-approve si Hidden Garden, you need to have a plan B. So I also asked help from the team, and my anak si Jack Tenko suggested sa Magsingal. Meron siyang blooming part doon na garden na full of flowers. So in case na in case na hindi magmaterialize si Hidden Garden, we will proceed to mag-single. Or I am asking also your suggestion and help if ever na meron kayong alam na pwede nating mapuntahan here sa Metropolis na parang garden setup na maraming bulaklak. Do you have a place to suggest? Dear coaches, meron ba kayong napuntahan or naiisip na garden setup na may mga flowers or yung magandang garden na pwede nating pagdausan ng ating pictorials? Kasi if not, if Hidden Garden will not agree, so we suggested to Sir Philip that we will proceed to mag-single. So do you have any suggestion for our pictorials? Rapi, do you have suggestion B? Nga papanan tayong garden setup.
Sir, dapat yung Metropolitan Hotel.
Metropolitan
Garden
Hotel?
Di kwati bantay da sa sir. Hindi na pa namin nag-Feminarante Arts.
Metropolitan Hotel. So, Jen, pakisulat nga Metropolitan, takitain tayo.
Yes, Inay.
Oo.
Metropolitan Hotel, Kapsa?
Metropolitan
Uwan
Rapi.
sa dati, uwan sa dak nga sir ginaganad. Basta di pa
Kita Kapsa.
Uwan, di bantay po.
Bantay?
Oo. Thank you, Rapi. Aside from Metropolitan as suggested by Rapi, meron pa ba? Christopher, I guess you want to suggest.
Awan, sir, dako matidamagan nila.
Sige. What's your question?
Anya ti atarda no preliminary sashing ceremony, sir.
Di yalat ako, anak. It's still the unit unit uniform latta and skinny jeans usually ganun.
Okay, sir. Sige.
Para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Yun pa
Yes.
lang. Wala pang kasi we only get the 31st and that's a question and answer and the other their advocacies pa lang naman. So no bearing pa yung mga dress. So
Thank you, sir.
it's the unit uniform pa lang.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So aside Metropolitan, wala na tayong masasuggest na iba. Okay. So ganito, dear coaches, if ever na talagang wala nang since Jack, napangkatatay in-approve na? KJ,
Hello, sir.
in-approve
Yes,
na?
sir.
In-approve na. So,
Actually, sir, call back to kano, sir.
okay, sige. Thank you so much for
Yes,
that.
sir.
So in case na nag-call back na nag-agree, we will go to mag-single. Wala na tayong magiging choice kasi yung team is blooming. So do you have a question for that or any suggestion?
Dr.
Do you
Arnel,
agree?
hello?
Yeah, you're here.
Yeah,
Magsalita
I'm
na,
here.
sir.
Oo,
Di po ako magpatuloy.
nakikinig lang ako. Alam niyo dun sa Casa Cecilia sa Bantay, DJ Antida Sisters, DJ, pwede pa dun.
Casa Cecilia.
Oh,
Sige.
we will
Jen.
itry ko dun. Yung Hidden Garden kasi, yon, magko-confirm sila sa akin bukas. Ngayon no okay doy. Hidden Garden tayo no saan ad-scout na paingana no biga. May finalize tayo no biga the venue. And then yung
Okay,
farmers
so
okay na yun, na-book na natin yun. Wala nang problema
okay.
doon na talaga tayo.
Okay,
Final
bongga.
na yun.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
Sige,
Yes, sir.
na lang, dumdumyag na lang the meeting.
Okay, sige, sir. Sige.
Okay, sige, just proceed. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Welcome. Thank you. Okay, so yun po. Mapafinalize tomorrow. Anyway, meron naman talaga tayong group chat. Okay? Para mas malapit na napuntahan natin yung Casa Cecilia or yung suggestion ni Rapi. Okay, so after the pictorials, 1 p.m. to 5, we will be having the general rehearsal, the prod number or the opening number, and of course, the walking pattern na napakahalaga for you to, para mabigyan nyo na ng drama yung mga bata ninyo. Pag alam na nila yung walking pattern nila, or either you also memorize this step para turuan nyo na rin sila para sa 10% because meron din nga sa criteria yan. Okay, and on February 14, it's the sashing ceremony, the 9 o'clock to 12, and at this sa sashing ceremony kasi mangyayari na dito yung preliminary Q&A eh. So that would be 14, and yung venue is Sir Philip, yung venue pa rin sa Farmers, yung sa sashing.
No, sa Sashing, hotel tayo. Baka
Sige, sir.
Westlock ulit. So, depende.
okay, sir.
Inaayos lang
Okay, sir.
namin, inaayos.
Okay, sige
Oo.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, yes.
Sige sir. Okay, yeah. So, yung sashing ceremony natin is sa hotel mangyayari yan with question and with judges na. So i-prepare you for February 14. Doon na tayo mag-date lahat. And after that, after the sashing and the preliminary round for Q&A, we'll be having another rehearsal doon na rin mismo sa hotel. Just like last year, doon kami nag-rehearse na rin for the second round ng ating rehearsal and blockings. And sa February 18, that is 9 to 5, it's the final rehearsal and blocking sa provincial farmers na tayo. Andyan na lahat. Andyan na lahat yung kung hindi tayo papayagan sa hotel on after the sashing, punta tayo ng Bantay East. Okay, doon na ang magiging venue natin, Bantay East. Central School sa Bantay. Sa final rehearsal na natin, on 18, that is 9 to 5, nandyan na lahat kasi yung mga participants natin, yung opening salvo, yung magsasalvo ng casual wear natin, na-assign na rin namin yan, sila Rapi, and then mag-opening salvo ulit doon sa sports. Nasabihan na rin si Santa Maria, yung letter na lang ang maibibigay para naman mas magiging maganda yung show natin na hindi lang rarampa-rampa lang yung mga bata, but it's really a show na may mga pasabog na bago lalabas yung
Sir,
mga
pwedeng mag-question.
candidates natin. And also, during that day, syempre, yes, Rapi.
Sir, dun sa opening salvo dun sa casual wear, may music po ba kaming or
If
sa amin po
ever
yung
that
music?
you are comfortable with your music na gagamitin, gamitin nyo na. Kasi yung i-edit namin, baka handan to agkumpas. Tapno nun parang idugtong tayo tulatan.
1
And,
minute lang na, sir.
Anak, ganito pala, since it's blooming, mag-incorporate nga kayo ng bulaklak. If ever. Rap.
Coming to, sir.
When. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay? So, nandun na yung mga MCs natin. Iraran natin talaga yung show para hindi na tayo magkamali pa or less pagkakamali in case na mangyari. Okay? Yun sa final rehearsal natin on Feb 18. Then of course, sa 19, yun na yung laban. Okay? Yun na yung laban ng Mr. Mrs. Daha. So now, you are open to ask questions and suggestions. So team, meron bang, before tayo magbunutan ng sportswear, meron ba akong nakalimutan, Jen?
Awa may kaginay. Na ibaga
Wala
may
naman na. Sige. So kasano nga Rod, Jack, kasano dito pinag-spin tayo nga Rod? Makita tayo how
Ang present no kanikos inay ni Louie agar aramid pay.
okay. So Louie,
Share
are you
screen
ready
lang tayo,
sa
sir.
ano natin? Sa sportswear natin?
Sir Arnel, Dr.
Yes, sir.
Arnel.
Yes.
Baka makalimutan ko, I also, 'di ba ang mangyayari dun sa production natin sa opening program, wala nang teachers na sasayaw, tanuhan tayo marigata ng kakabsa, ngagpa-practice ka na, merienda and all. So the one who will cover that one, ng opening salvo natin, will be the PGIS dancers. Yung opening program, and then sasayaw din sila dun sa finale, yung closing salvo natin, which is golden. Then I requested them to dance also during the search. So nga
Yes, sir.
isingit yung
Actually, yes. Yun
Tsuda.
ang i-request ko sana sa'yo.
Oh, meron. Sa 3 beses lalabas ang TGIS dancers sa Isdaam.
When, sir?
Okay, so kita to no pangiparantayo kanya. Dangim dapat wag masyadong late kasi pagod na rin sila. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sige, sir.
Oo. Sige, Garad. Okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
proceed. When.
Yes, sir. Okay. So, Louie.
Hi sir,
Sir
good
Louie.
evening.
Yeah. Lag-present ka nga ron na nakota.
Sir, 12 lang detoy kwa sports.
Okay. Go ahead.
Inay by pair nga rod day Giant.
Kasano no kwa sir? DJ
What?
may isang sports bagi tinuwan.
Paris? Last year parang hindi.
Last year, ang sa Baliw, sir, tilalaki kang babae.
Yeah. Agsabali ti lalaki kan babae, anak.
Sir Louie, i-present mo Digi kwa. Digi sports nga enlistam. Tapno makapag-suggest na pa yun niya pang
Correct.
sports.
When,
Kwa
good
ba?
suggestion.
Detoy sir.
Ayan.
Um,
So can you see it, dear coaches? So you can suggest yung ano nakalagay diyan, pakibasa naman, parang liit.
badminton sir, badminton, volleyball, basketball, taekwondo, equestrian, chess, swimming, fencing, boxing, lawn tennis, archery, and arnis sir.
Arnis. So ilan na lahat yan, be?
12 sir, detoy.
12. And our candidates, Jen, is 20, right?
Sir, as of now, Digi taga Santa sir nga ibaba nga naudi nga nag-register tamok na register dan. Tinawagan ni Sir Renz, kumbaga kanya na sir nga handa pa nga nag-register. Pati Digi taga Unit 4, awan pa na yun na sir di Unit 4.
So 10 pairs tayo pa lang.
Yes, sir. 10 pairs.
So you make 20 sports nga rod pa lang. Tanto di jay no ag-register dan tuman di jay maud-udi, then mang bola tayo to ulit ti like 6 nga sports nga awanditan.
Okay, sir.
True? Do you agree, coaches? Dear coaches, agsa ukay metten
When sir, okay lang.
Okay ka no, okay. Sige. So, datay nga adad tuyen, bunot tayo nga roden. Taon in case, ano deto yan, register to DJI or orayan tayo, mang-spin kami to para kanyadan. Okay? So, Jen, kaso na nga rod. Do you have other suggestions? Sports Rappi, suggest.
Yan, suggest ka yun.
Cycling po.
Cycling ka no, go. Anapay. Ada gymnastics ditan?
Awampay inay.
Di ba napintas si gymnastics? Friends, suggest. Sports. Gymnastics adan?
Awampay inay.
Okay, gymnastics. What else? Ada equestrian.
Adan.
Bowling.
Sir. At
Bowling.
Mas
O
equestrian.
bowling ka no, kuna ni Sir
Bowling.
Philip.
When bowling, archery,
Ay, wait. Adan, sir. Archery.
lawn tennis,
Adan, sir.
Softball.
kung
Softball ka
Baseball,
no.
softball.
Oo, may napintas pa iti
Soccer.
softball actually. Swimming
soccer,
adan?
soccer kano,
Soccer. Ada swimming yung be?
Adan inay.
tennis, ping pong,
Table tennis.
ML.
Nagjota.
Sports ka no, ML, Sir Philip.
Pero Sir J,
Alam mo,
softball ko pang babae lang dati. Softball. Baseball ko pang
Ana?
lalaki po.
When?
When? Baseball lalaki, softball girls.
gymnastics nga pa.
Athletics, sir. Hindi lang sila athletics.
Rafi.
Dance sport pa girl.
I went.
Di ba remember Unit 4 nag-dance sport?
Athletics pa tinangabak ti best in sports idi sir na may gaming gikwadan sa idi.
Oo. O manudetan,
Na
Sir
maudi
Lowy.
athletics na Ruden. Tap na 20.
4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 12, 14.
Sir ang tanang mayat no iraman tay dagiti kumanaut udilatan tadalata ba mamaminsan sir.
Tap na
Ikwat
24
wala
na
ako, ma'am.
transfer Rafi.
Alama yatak met, Sir Rapi. Lairaman, ag-suggest nga rod pa yen.
Agkurang pa yung katupad.
4 pay.
Car racing sir.
Ana? Car
Car
racing?
racing po. Apo.
Ay, social. Ano pa di
Car-
motor yan?
Ay,
Motocross.
adapter parachuti, paragliding.
Motocross.
Yeah, motocross.
Motocross,
Paragliding kaya't ko pa dito. Tati adda ko.
Paragliding. Adati kasi
Kasada
rero na sa Wednesday.
Correct, di nga to na, napintas.
Nga. Paragliding.
Crisanta, you're raising your hand, anak. Sa o.
Golf, sir. Golf.
O, golf. Ay, mayaman. Yamani.
O, maudi na tan.
Electro
Stone.
golf.
Stone. Naguyong eh. Bilangan man, Sir Louie naman nun.
2, 4, 6,
Wait
8,
for tamukod.
12, 14, 16, 18,
24 entries sa amin yan, sir.
24.
24. Oh, 24 na.
Perfect.
Ag-start tayo, T. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3.
Sir, tipin
Unit
naman yan
one.
namin Unit 1, Unit 1 na imuna.
May isa.
May
May
isa.
isawen, santo
Unit
Unit 2.
Sa
two.
kagaysada amin, sir.
O, sige nga, Rod.
Ulit
Naglista
naman,
ka nga, Rod, Jennifer.
Yes, mother. Naka-ready.
Okay. Ag-spin
Then
tayo,
nagpipili
Ruden.
kami to nga unit, sir. Iti kaya minto di Dayen. Nakantag
Yes.
design, sir.
Yes. O, Unit 1 nga, lalaki to muna. Marod.
Okay,
Spin ko
Unit
na.
1 nga lalaki.
Yes.
Sige, go.
Hala. Mapagumakan niya may manintikuan. Charot. Ay, dance more.
O, dance sport.
Ay, dance 14, Unit 1, boy.
Next, Unit 2 nga
Unit
lalaki,
2.
correct?
Yes.
Go spin. Anel. Ay, lawn
Lawn
tennis. Unit
Lalaki.
3.
Yes, sir.
Spin.
Paraglide.
Ay, kaya ko din actually, girl.
Gymnastics. Ay, bowling.
Bowling.
Bowling. Unit 4 nga,
Oh,
boy.
Unit 4.
Athletics.
Athletic.
Ay, athletics.
Yan, sir. Unit 1 nga, girl.
Oh, Unit 1 nga girl met. First set.
Tamami nga makwa. Keep quiet, baby. Keep quiet. Go to papa. Oh, volleyball.
Volleyball. Unit 2 nga girl.
Yes, sir.
Oh!
Archery.
Boxing.
Archery.
Ay, archery.
Ala,
Okay.
team sports ko, one eh.
Rafi. Nakakaya tatangal daw.
Pakapabuludan tibukan ko.
Unit 3.
Correct. Pabuludam, sis.
Mira, Christine.
Equestrian. Equestrian.
Yan, bagay.
Kaya kudeta.
Bagikatan.
Kaya kudeta,
Sir
actually.
Louie, shuffle mo. Shuffle mo kasi.
Perfect kami. Ada bagik ko ni equestrian.
Unit
Oh,
4.
4. Unit 4 nga girl.
Car racing, swimming. Oh, swim.
Swimming. I also like that. Basta napintas bagina.
Unit
Diba?
1 na
Oh.
boy.
Second end, di ba?
Yes, Nay.
Second set. Boy, unit 1. Apo! No, so pula ket madi, di ba? Lalaki, Jen?
Lalaki deta
Gawin natin
dapat.
Ay,
baseball latan,
madideta.
sir.
Dapat mapambabae.
Gawin
Spin
natin
mo ulit.
baseball latan.
Baseball na tadetan?
Saan po? Pagtayo ka niyo.
Repeat po.
Wala,
Oh,
sige. Repeat
itayek
mo nga
mo.
yung pa-adding. I-close mo. I-shuffle mo.
Oh, unit 1. My dear unit 1, ano sa'yo?
Paragliding.
My God!
Ay, I like that. The beautiful data.
Ala!
Unit 2. Shuffle.
Next, unit 2.
Nung nagpintasan may ngamin ta pointer namin ni Sir Louie. May
Siyempre,
makapabis.
special.
Oh, mga bagkatan unit 2.
Boxing. Da kami ni last year data, boxing.
Yes. Unit 3.
3.
Basketball.
Car racing.
Ana?
Fencing.
Ayat ko data fencing.
Pang mayaman.
Rafi, napangkanyamon.
Unit
4.
4.
Basketball ko mamabunot ni Rapi.
Wala
Uy,
ka.
naman napintas na alanan.
Taekwondo.
Ay, man, mayat pa data. Ano na, may carry na.
Girls. Second set. Basketball dito, unit 1.
Girls, girls, girls.
Cycling.
Wala, naka-cycling la data.
Yeah. Bisikleta. Dapat may ipastrek ka.
Bisikleta.
Bisikleta. Unit 1. Sino taga unit 1? May ipastrek kay bye.
Padi ka no
Sir Sherwin.
Ay, aman lata
Unit 2, girls. Baby, kapag sungon dito, play mo.
Badminton.
Yeah, don't talk, mommy's unity.
Ay, apay sir, sa palagi car racing ko mo. Tapos sa Paris dansa.
Di ba ti motocross ko motor? Tika racing ko car?
Adda sa bali nga drama. Next. Unit 4 na tayo?
Unit 3
Unit
pa
3 pa sir.
Unit 3 girls. Ay!
Rafi, lulukon na.
Sa
Chess.
chess.
Ay, kudata,
Bagi
chess.
mit unit 1 data di last year.
Rafi, kami
Social
ko
met
na
ang naka-chess
deta.
team.
Balinak na queen. Kasi sunat
Yeah.
yung queen.
Win. Unit 4.
Unit 4 girls.
Napan nag-motocross.
All. Ano, to pro.
Motocross.
Magitugot ti motor na tayo. Manaka.
Maan, or ilang di outfit na mayate.
Unit 1
Mayat
boy.
data, no, may carry na.
Last. Car
Lala, car racing, nagmamaya. Me.
Ay, car racing!
Rafi, naka-wheel.
Mga ba pa ni Jenny Perez. Basketball unit to.
Basketball.
Unit 3.
Kaya ko pwede ta gymnastics.
Golf.
Golf.
Pangmayaman na naman.
Talugan, naglaba ng kami ng unit.
Na
Bakit puro
gymnastics.
mayaman to?
Okay, Unit 4.
Softball.
Gymnastics.
Paglalag.
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics, lalaki.
Alaga siyang gumag.
Wamag.
Diba? Unit
Agbakat.
1, girls.
Agbakat, go.
0. Piglalag.
Ano, Detan?
Unit 1 nga girls sinay.
Futsal ko man ay
Arnis.
Arnis. Akala ko tako.
Ay, mong futsal niya nalipatan R.
At pang girls dati version ti soccer to mga.
Unit 2.